Hello everyone, my name is Mehul and I am a full stack web developer. Come along for the ride as we will start building an API for e-commerce application. Once it is finished, you can add this project to your portfolio and showcase it to others. We will be using the Laravel framework for writing our API logic, and for publishing the documentation, we will be using a third-party package called Scribe. Let me show you how this looks like. I will switch on my terminal, fire up my server, and visit our application. Okay, so this is what it looks like. On the left hand side, all the navigation system has been added over here by the Scribe. Common endpoints which registration, login and logout, everything, then password reset link, uh, and account settings when they are already authenticated. This has been added by me. Similarly, the API for administrator panel also being added. There's categories, tags, and a listing of all the tags, etc. On this right hand side, you see all the code that has been written. By default, the scribe will give us only for Bash and JavaScript. Okay, but in our we will be writing in PHP, so we need to enable this. We will be enabling this when we start the application, when we configure the application to use the PHP as well alongside Bash and JavaScript. Next up is we will be using Insomnia for testing the API that we have just written. Okay, I will log in here as an admin. I will copy this and add a new category. But in order to add a new category, we need a bearer token. So I will add the bearer token over here and I will send a new request, new form with the following details and send. You see, we will get the category added successfully. Next up is we will be writing the test case for the same. So if I write test, it will pass the PHP unit testing framework. All the tests are getting passed. This is all we are going to write in this entire application. $333 passed with 986 assertions. Time taken was 17 seconds. So do come along for the ride and let's learn together. All this is what we are going to do step by step in our upcoming videos. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next episode. Thank you.